Look out, Sophie. I'm filming. Good morning, everybody. It's been a while, eh? Well, I got something fun to do. And a good friend of ours called Dean Shoot, Gold Bear Bunny, sent me all this stuff that he figures is garbage, and I thought we'd melt it into a, how about a nice pyramid? Because we thought it maybe is a lot of brass in it, so I did cut a couple extra links out of that, and I just want to give this a little test and see if we get some kind of nice zinc explosion coming out of it. So give me a minute, I'll be right back, and we'll get this all ready to rock and roll. Let's put a little bit of heat to this and see what happens with those pieces, and then we will carry on. I'll cut the rest of this apart, get the latches out of it. They're most likely a steel of some sort, and we'll get her all ready to melt the whole thing. Well, I'm not exactly sure what that is. You're definitely right, Dean. That is not gold. What we have here, it's not brass, or we'd have had a greenish white smoke come off it, nasty stuff. You definitely want to be having an assay done on this. Getting some meltage happening here. I don't know what what that is. There appears to be some gold in there. It's floating on whatever that base material is. And the base material is not brass. Anything I've ever had to do with brass gets quite greenish kind of stuff on it, and that's the zinc in there, I'm assuming. It's a dangerous word. Yeah, let's grab this thing. Okay, well, yeah, I don't know what's there it is. Looks like a couple of black that was the ring. And I had that so hot that the flux was starting to bubble. So we'll see. We'll put some more heat at this and see what happens. Okay, here we go. We got the map and the HGX on it. Let's see if we can get that to behave for us. Okay, I'm going to put a piece of brass in there that I know is brass without too much stuff on it. Where's my bookie thing? There's my bookie thing. And there it is. There's what's left of the ring. And within there, well, they're still just sitting right on the outside here as it goes cut links. Wasn't quite enough here for a good pour in the brass, but that came from a brass propeller shaft. Well, Mr. Dean, I had great intentions of sending you back a really nice, big, thick pyramid. But, nope. That'll look real nice, all polished up, just like gold. Let's see. I'm going to put that in my pocket, take it home and clean it up. Okay, folks, I don't know, failure, I guess so, I guess not. We'll have to see what the big gold bear bunny thinks of the whole situation. The only thing I didn't try here was acetylene. I might yet do that. You know, anything's possible. Well, here we have what is left. Mr. Shoot. Let's see if I can get up on here. Now, of course, on top left there we have the brass piece that poured very easily. And here is the ring, such as it was. And the few little pieces of chain link. I didn't go any farther with that, as per our conversation, but that's what you got. I do not know what's going on in there. It looks like copper, it looks like brass. I threw everything that 2 map torches could throw at it. And aside from getting the acetylene out, there just wasn't any point. I couldn't make something nice from it. So, sir, this is what you're getting back. It was a wonder. But, you know, you gotta like wonder. So, I hope everybody enjoyed this. I don't know if it was a fail or a success, but yeah, such as it is. Mr. Gold Bear Bunny, there you go, bud. Coming back in the mail. Bye now.